what's up, y'all? It's your girl Vivian. I was finna say aka Curly Rose. I keep doing that. What is my problem? It's definitely Vivian. I'm definitely me, and that's on period. I always say that too fast. It don't even sound like I'm saying it right. But y'all get the gist. Anyway, so in today's video, I'm just gonna show y'all how I achieved this look. I mean, it's literally super simple. It looks like it's a lot, but it's not. I already did my full face and all that jazz because y'all done seen that a million times. If you haven't and you're new here, welcome. Hello, how are you? I mean, I'm a little silly, I'm a little crazy. Sometimes I do too much, sometimes I don't. So you figure out if you want to stay for that, and then let me know. Like, I mean, because you should, because I'm great. I'm sure you're great. I mean, everyone deserves a chance, okay? Period. So I'll leave it in the eye though, right here, of my everyday makeup routine. And yeah, so I do include the lip before anybody goes down there and comments. I included the lip already. Calm down, I got you. These earrings are from Forever 21, and these lashes, still don't know. You'll hear me say in the video I don't know what they are because I don't. The Dodo Lashes, make sure you use Curly Roads for money off your purchase. Go ahead and use that code, sis, sir, ma'am. Oh, okay. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video because the intro is a little too long for me. Also, I got a halter top dress on. Never gonna wear it out, but it's really cute, and I just thought I should share that. So, I got my AirPod in because I got my sis on the phone. Period. Okay. Okay, they can't hear you. She's talking about period. Anyway, yeah, y'all wouldn't leave me alone about this look. So, if you follow me, then you know what I'm talking about. If you don't follow me, then then you don't know what I'm talking about. So make sure you follow me. I'm gonna leave it right here for you. So, this look is like literally 2 eyeshadows, super simple, with a bit of like action going on. I can't even talk. In the inner corner. I haven't sat down to film in like a week and a half, so bear with me. I use the soft Glam palette, and I use the shade Rustic in the palette, and I use Cyprus Umber right here, period. And I went ahead and went in with the P.Louise Base, which is what I always use after I discovered it. You will never see me use anything else unless it's like an all drugstore video. Is my microphone on? It is. All right, so I already used this brush, but I'm taking a Morphe M441, and I'm just using an eyeshadow switcher. These lashes, don't know what they are. I think they're Dodo Lashes. I'm sorry, I'll leave them down below if I can figure out what they are. Yeah, somebody's gonna be bad about that, but it's okay though. Use Curly Rolls for some money off. Yeah, great. Little self promo there. Oh, this box beat up. Hold on. Anyway, for the transition shade, I just use Rustic, and I just go in and tap it off, and then I just lightly buff this area. It does have some of Cyprus Umber already on here because I just used it to do this other eye. But basically, I'm literally just tapping it on and then just going to blend it out in circular motions like you see here, and kind of flick it out just to make sure it's like airbrushed. All right, so I blended that on out. Took a couple seconds. Nothing major, nothing major. I'm gonna use a flat brush just to pack on the shade, and then I'll do a little bit of blending. You probably will have some fallout, so just put some powder down here so the shade doesn't fall from your lid down. I'm taking a Morphe M456, period. Okay, so I'm just tapping into the palette, dusting off, and then I'm just going to pack this on, and I want to make sure I get it in the inner corner because you really want the glitter to pop once you blend everything out. And then I'm just basically doing circular motions, still packing, and then on the edge just turning the brush and doing a slight circular motion. My dog is trying to get in here. Autumn, come on. And I'm just tapping, tapping, tapping. Only on the lid area, not on like around here, because I'm gonna go back in with the other brush and just use that transition shade again. And you wanna make sure you get down to your eyelashes. Oh, got some in my eye. Okay, hold on. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I look like I got a black eye. That's okay. You may get some eye boogers. That's okay too. Just take them on out. And I'm literally just still packing on until I get this whole surface area covered. And now that I feel like it's fully saturated, you can go back in however you want, but I don't need to do too much because this look is literally so simple. It takes, I'm gonna be done in literally a couple minutes. So then I just went back in. I took some of Rustic, which is the light brown, the transition, same M441, and I'm just blending the edges where the shadows meet, right here in the middle. And I'm making sure to get my inner corner and just using circular motion still. So there should be somewhat of a gradient. As you can see, it's light up here and then it gets darker. Same thing on this side, there should be some type of gradient. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna do the same thing, except I'm gonna go opposite. So I'm gonna put the Cyprus Umber underneath the lower lash line and then Rustic right underneath that. With the lower lash line, you always want to do the transition color on the end. I don't know why, it just looks better to me. So do it how you want. It's your makeup. Let them judge you if they want, whatever they hating, period. Okay, so I'm gonna just do that and I'll be right back. For mascara, I'm gonna take the Extended Play Gigiblack MAC mascara and I'm just gonna throw that on in here. I never said this, but like since the last, I think 2 videos, I permed my eyebrows and my lashes and I filmed it, but it was like not great footage. So if you were looking and was wondering why they look different, that's why. But I forgot to mention that, so just wanted to throw that out there, lovey. Okay, I don't really put too much mascara because I'm finna put lashes on, so what's the point? Like, really though? None? Okay, great. First thing I'm gonna do is take a M514. I'm gonna take a little bit of the MAC Mixing Medium Eyeliner, but it's just like a white, like cream type material feeling, but it's literally clear. It basically is just glitter glue. I don't know why they call it Mixing Medium, but I guess that's what they want to do. So I'm just applying this on the area where I know I'm going to apply the glitter. So that way, if you do like go all the way over here, you're good. It's not going to mess up. Then I just let it dry for a couple seconds. I go ahead and dip into the glitter with the wet brush so it can just go ahead and pick up. You see, even though I'm using a fluffy brush, it's still picking up. It's falling, and that's fine because I don't want, I don't know, I want it to look like not put together. Literally just like that, boom, and done. Like, it don't take, I close my eye because I don't want to get no glitter in my eye. I recently had some super glue in my eye and that wasn't fun, so I'm just, yeah, gotta be precautious out here. Then I like assess where it's too much. Like, it's glitter right up in here. I don't need all that, so I just go with my finger and just kind of take it off. It's some down here, some right here. I got nails, so I can do this, but you may just want to get like a spoolie or something. Like, it's probably gonna be too much, and that's fine. Just pick it up where you feel like you need to. I mean, it's up to you. And then I just go in and just press over it just to make sure it really stuck. And then literally that's it. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all which glitter I use. So I use the Violet Voss Festival Fun glitter. I got this when I went to BeautyCon with my sis. You feel me? And literally this glitter was like bomb. I need to buy some more. Hint, hint. Sis on the phone. Anyway, so yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lashes on. I really want to say these are D326 lashes. I don't know. I really don't. I'm so sorry. I really feel like I'm not gonna figure it out because I need to buy some more. No, I can figure it out. It's just gonna take some time, some research, but I got you. Don't worry, I got you. So I'm taking the Dodo Lashes Glue and these lashes that are, I know for sure they're Dodo lashes, just don't know which ones. And I'm just applying this glue. I'm gonna let it get a little tacky. This is the only glue that I use, the Dodo Lash Glue. If you don't know how to wear lashes, that's fine, sis. You don't have to. If you want to know how to wear them, definitely check out my video. I'll have it right here. I already made a video like under 5 minutes how to apply lashes. Quick little plug alert, you feel me? Got it. Okay, cool. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do the lips. Gotta get my paper towels. Gotta take my lip gloss off. That's lip gloss, powder, all kind of stuff. But no foundation, so that's a first for me. Little hack. Learned it from Curly Roll. I mean, well, my name on no, I can't even talk today. My name on no more, but you know what I mean. It's all the same. It's all the same. It's all the same. Not really, but okay. So now I'm gonna just take a Colourpop lippy pencil in BFF 3 and line my lips. I don't really overline. Sometimes I do. It just depends. My top lip is bigger than my bottom lip, so when I do overline, which is rarely, I do my bottom lip. And you literally never can tell a difference. So there's no point. I mean, I be doing it, but nobody really knows. So now I'm gonna take the Madeleine by NYX in Butter Gloss. And I just basically put this on the center because it's like a pinky nude, as you can see. And I don't really move it too much. I'm gonna let it kind of sit in the center. And then I'm gonna go over it with my lip oil. And the key is when you do this, you wanna lightly go over your lips because you don't wanna ruin the lip gloss that's already there. You see how that bottom lip just looking so juicy? Okay. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so used to having hair. I went ahead and pulled it up so you guys could really see more of the look and the earrings. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's super simple. Like I said, soft glam palette, Rustic, Cyprus, Umber shades. Literally the easiest. This palette is really good for soft glam. I could definitely say that. You can mix and match it. And then, like I said, I just used the Festival Fun Violet Voss glitter and the MAC Mix Medium to stick it, and that's literally it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to comment. Definitely don't forget to like, subscribe. I mean, what? You sat here this long, you might as well. I mean it's free. You know what I'm saying? Like, you follow me on the gram. Period.
We can have just one night, or we can have one whole life if we play it cool.